Welcome to How to Solve.
How to fix Omegle camera blocked. Hello everybody and welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you the secret way on how to fix your issue with the camera being blocked on Omegle. So what we need to do first is head into Omegle and then make sure that you are using Google Chrome as your browser, because I have found out that this issue is the easiest to fix on this browser in my opinion. And also, make sure that you actually have some kind of web camera that is connected to your computer. If you have a webcam directly built into your computer, then you should be good. I'm going to click first on this video and then I need to agree to the terms. When I'm done clicking on that, I'm gonna click right here. As you can see, my camera on Omegle is currently blocked right now. The reason for that is because I have not allowed my camera access to Omegle. I have basically blocked Omegle from using my webcam. So to fix this issue, I just have to press on this camera symbol right over here. As you can see, it currently says that it should block the camera from being used. So we only have to change it to always allowed. Always allowed it to be used, and then click right here. Your camera should now be working. If yours is not working, just like mine, all you have to do is restart the Google Chrome browser and that should solve the issue for you. So that is how we fix Omegle camera blocked.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.